In today's fast-paced world, balancing work and marriage can be challenging. Both responsibilities demand time, energy, and focus, often leaving couples feeling torn between professional obligations and maintaining a healthy relationship. However, with intentional strategies, busy couples can thrive both at work and in their marriage. First, prioritize quality time. It's easy to let work dominate your schedule, but dedicating regular, uninterrupted time to your partner fosters emotional connection. Even short moments like sharing meals or a morning walk can strengthen the bond. Second, communicate openly about schedules, stressors, and expectations. Honest conversations allow couples to support each other and prevent misunderstandings. Third, set boundaries. Define when work ends and personal time begins, especially with remote work blurring these lines. Respect each other's boundaries to ensure work doesn't seep into relationship time. Finally, divide household responsibilities. Sharing chores reduces stress and prevents one partner from feeling overwhelmed, creating a more balanced and harmonious home environment. By focusing on quality time, communication, boundaries, and shared responsibilities, busy couples can maintain a thriving marriage while pursuing their careers. Balance is achievable with a bit of planning and mutual effort. Thanks for watching, following, and subscribing.